Welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss the relationship between Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS, and gut microbiome. The gastrointestinal tract is an extensive organ involved in several activities, with a crucial role in immunity. Billions of commensal and transient microorganisms, known as the gut microbiota, and potential pathogens, which are constantly stimulating intestinal immunity, colonize the intestinal epithelial surface. The gut microbiota may be regarded as analogous to a solid organ with multiple different functions. In the last decade, many studies have demonstrated that intestinal bacteria can be a decisive factor in the health disease balance of the intestine, and they can also be responsible for illnesses in other locations. For this reason, fecal microbiota transplantation, FMT, represents an important therapeutic option for Clostridium difficile infections and hold promise for different clinical conditions, such as multiple sclerosis, autism, obesity, and other systemic diseases. FMT consists of the infusion of a fecal suspension from a healthy donor to a recipient in order to restore gut flora alterations. Similar to the gut, the female reproductive tract is an example of a very complex biological ecosystem. Recent studies indicate a possible relationship between the gut and female tract microbiota, associating specific intestinal bacteria patterns with genital female diseases, such as Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS, endometriosis, and bacterial vaginosis, BV. FMT could represent a potential innovative treatment option in this field. Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, PCOS, is a complex endocrine and metabolic disorder, typically characterized by anovulation, infertility, obesity, insulin resistance, and polycystic ovaries. Lifestyle or diet, environmental pollutants, genetics, gut dysbiosis, neuroendocrine alterations, and obesity are among the risk factors that predispose females to PCOS. These factors might contribute to upsurging metabolic syndrome by causing hyperinsulinemia, oxidative stress, hyperandrogenism, impaired folliculogenesis, and irregular menstrual cycles. Dysbiosis of gut microbiota may play a pathogenic role in the development of PCOS. The restoration of gut microbiota by probiotics, prebiotics, or a fecal microbiota transplant, FMT, might serve as an innovative, efficient, and non-invasive way to prevent and mitigate PCOS. This review deliberates on the variety of risk factors potentially involved in the etiology, prevalence, and modulation of PCOS. Restoring the gut microbiome can have a positive impact on overall health. Here are some methods to improve and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Consuming a diet rich in fiber helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are excellent sources of fiber. Incorporate probiotics through supplements or fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso to introduce beneficial bacteria into the gut. Prebiotics are types of fiber that feed the gut bacteria. Foods such as garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and chicory are rich in prebiotics. Reduce sugar and artificial sweeteners. Sugars and artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of the gut microbiome. Limiting their intake can help maintain a healthy microbiome. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Antibiotics can kill both harmful and beneficial bacteria. Using them only when absolutely necessary can help preserve the microbiome. Consume fermented foods. Fermented foods like tempeh, natto, and kombucha contain beneficial bacteria that can contribute to a healthy microbiome. Stress management. Stress can negatively affect the gut microbiome. Stress management practices such as meditation, yoga, and regular exercise can have a positive effect. Regular physical activity. Regular physical activity is associated with a more diverse and healthy gut microbiome. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, including the health of the gut microbiome. Ensuring sufficient sleep can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for gut health and can help maintain the balance of the microbiome. By adopting these methods, you can promote and maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which can improve digestion, immune function, and overall health.